Hey guys, this is the final update for my stock cleaning. I did my last round of degreaser cleaner today. Came out pretty sweet. Even most of the locks, not locked, the key hole is pretty clean. More wormholes have surfaced. This thing was just riddled with wormholes on the buttstock and the wrist. She's coming along pretty nice. Gotta let it dry for about a week or two, and then I'll start filling the holes with wood flour and epoxy. Big wormhole right there, right on the wrist. Not the wrist, but, well, I guess that is the wrist. I say more towards the, I can't remember the name, I'm too tired to think right now. But again, more wormholes. Overall, she doesn't look too bad. I had this piece of wood fall off. This was already there. That little thing right there, but this little piece came off. I did find it. It's right here. Just gonna epoxy that back on. And that'll be fixed. This area's been super stubborn with the degreaser. I took a toothbrush while it was sitting for a couple minutes, just run it back and forth, and that's about as best as it's come out. I also got this week I got some Kramer's Best Antique Improver to put on, so that'll be cool. I need to fix this area somehow. It's all rotted out in there from the brass washer, I guess you'd call it, nut. I was in there, there's corrosion inside, and it got wet at some point, and just the whole piece of wood got soggy for a long time, and just basically fell off. But overall, she's not looking too bad. Again, she's going to have to dry for about a week or two, and then start filling some holes. This is about, I'd say about 14 hours after I cleaned it last. I just spraying it with degreaser, letting it sit for a couple minutes, taking a toothbrush, kind of working it back and forth, and then rinsing it off with hot water. Not too bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy hunting.